Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had a lot of questions on how to buy Bitcoin, where to buy Bitcoin, can I use my credit card to buy Bitcoin? Yes, 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 yes. You can buy Bitcoin through the link below uh, this video in the description area, and it's through Coinbase right here. Not only does Coinbase, you can buy Bitcoin, but you can buy it with a credit card or through your bank account. And also, if you invite your friends and they sign up with an account and they buy Bitcoin, you can earn $10 off of each one. Very easy. It used to be hard to buy Bitcoin. I know back in the day, you used to have to meet people and we used to have to meet them in coffee shops and stuff like that. And we'll pay cash and then they'll send it to our wallet. But nowadays, we got Coinbase. Coinbase makes it easier. You can use your credit card. You can use your bank. Not only this, but Coinbase also has a trading platform called GDAX where you can trade cryptocurrency. And I'm trading cryptocurrency through a trading robot right here. And as you can see, it's done made a buy right here. And if I was to sell now, I'd sell for a loss. But I don't want to touch this. I let the bot do its work for me. So, and if that turned green, that'd mean you in the positive. But yeah, you can do all this stuff through a Coinbase account. The link's below this video in the description area. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. Yeah, guys, if you need Bitcoin, this is the place to get it from.